lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DC, and in today's video we are going to boost our immune system with a drink that is carrots, pineapple, ginger drink against this coronavirus. And we are going to need pineapple, carrots, and ginger. You know, carrots contain antioxidants which helps your body fight free radicals, cell damage, and inflammatory. Vitamin C in carrots juice also provide an immune system boost. And pineapple, which also is rich in vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants that may help boost your immune system. And we know ginger, as always, in our routine or in our juice, helps bring heat to our skin, or let's say our body, to fight against any virus or any sickness that we have in our body. So now I'm going to start up by putting all of them into the blender. But before we get into it, please, if they're your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. And my already subscribers, I say thank you so much for your support. All right, so let's get into the video. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to cut all those things into the blender. So first of all, I'm going to send all the carrots. I'm slicing them into pieces so that it will be easy for the blender to blend it. And I'm going ahead with my pineapple. So I'm going to cut my ginger into pieces. So now I am done. I'm going to bring this to a blend and I'll be back. So guys, as you can see, I'm done blending it. I did make sure that it has blended really well. So I'm going to need a strainer and a cup that I'm going to use to strain them into. I'm going to use a spoon. So I'm going to do the rest off camera and I'll be back. So guys, as you can see, that's what I got from my juice. So I'm going to transfer it. All I have to do is allow this to sit in the fridge for just quite some time, then I'll take it. All right, please don't forget to try this at home for a healthy skin and also to boost your immune system. Thank you.